In today's video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on your Mac. There are a couple of different ways you can go about this, so let's go over them one by one. Once you find a screen that you want to take a screenshot of, press Command-Shift-3. This will take a screenshot of your entire screen. You'll see a miniature version of the screenshot you've just made in the bottom right corner of your screen. After a second or two, this disappears and the screenshot will then be saved to either your desktop or in your documents. And I'll show you later in this video how to change the default location your screenshots get saved to. But first, if you only want to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, you can do so by pressing Command-Shift-4. And this will change your mouse into a selector. Simply click and drag until you've covered the area you want to screenshot, let go, and your Mac will now screenshot this selected area. Again, the miniature version of the screenshot you've just made appears in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you wait, it will disappear and again, it will be saved to your computer. If you click on it, however, it will open up and as you can see, you now have multiple options. If you click on the little pen icon, you will be able to edit the screenshot and you can do everything from cropping it to adding text or even drawing on it. You can also choose to delete the screenshot or share it. If you want to change the default location your screenshots get saved to, simply click Command-Shift-5, and this will open up a small bar at the bottom of your screen. And as you can see, it offers the two options we just learned, to screenshot the entire window or screenshot a selected portion. It also has options to screenshot a specific window or even screen record. When you click on the Options button, you can change the location your screenshots get saved to. And you can also change the timer, whether or not you want to see the floating thumbnail, and more. Then all the way to the right, you can click Capture to make the screenshot. That's it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments down below and we'll do our best to help you out.